Am I the only one that looks suspicious?
No.
Well, who else did you point out? Who else did he point out to y'all?
Nobody.
Nobody? So why are you approaching me, asking me why'd you tell me I gotta go?
Because he told me that you have to leave.
And why'd you tell him that I have to leave?
Why? Because you came the first time. I didn't see you by nothing. I'm seeing you from walking this out here.
So what?
You're not even
So what?
You're not
I'm on the rewards team here. I spend a lot of money here, and I come here every night around this time after I get off of work. So what?
Okay, I don't see you. I just see you walking back and forth. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna let him keep shopping? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
What do you mean? Okay. Oh, go ahead.
I said go ahead and shop.
We keep seeing the same thing over and over again. In my comment section, on my Instagram, especially on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my YouTube, I get the same comment. If the man was black, the officer would have beat him up or taken him to jail. Let me ask you guys something. How many times can we regurgitate an obvious problem without trying to find a solution? Do I believe there's racism in policing? Absolutely. But I don't believe that is the only issue going on. Why isn't anybody talking about narcissism? Narcissistic people obviously believe they're number one inside their head, and nobody can even come close to being as worthy. But why don't we talk about narcissism? Because when you group narcissism and racism together, you realize that the problem isn't that simple. It's the policies. Check out this video.
I'm sorry. Can you explain one more time why you're telling me to leave?
Yeah, the security guard said that. I'll turn my camera on too.
Yeah. Okay.
So the security guard said he I don't know why he does not want you here. So we can go talk to him if you want to.
Yeah. Let's go talk to him.
Come on.
No. How did you approach me at first, though? What'd you say?
I said, "What's up, man?"
No, you didn't. What'd you say?
I said, "Hey, what's up, man?"
No. What's the first thing you said?
I don't know.
You said, "Hey, man, you gotta go." And then I said, "Why?"
No, I said, "Hey, what's up,
No,
man?" And then
you,
said,
you
"Hey."
got you got to record it.
Yeah.
I got to record it
Yeah.
as well. It's fucking ridiculous, man.
Right here.
What's up, boss?
How you doing?
What was that?
You just walking around. I don't know what you're looking for.
What do you mean you don't know what I'm looking for? I'm clearly looking for something.
For what you
That's.
looking
Is there a problem with me walking around?
for? Yeah, if you look suspicious, yeah.
What about me looks suspicious?
I mean, you just walking around.
I'm walking around. I'm literally walking around. I'm literally walking around.
So
I'm looking for a specific cat food. I'm looking for a lint roller, and I'm looking for a soup that I want.
a soup.
And I'm also looking around for stuff that I want to get. I got a flight tomorrow, and I'm looking for shit I could travel with.
Okay. Up to you. Okay, let me see where the. Come here for a second. Let me call somebody to help you.
I don't need help. Who are you looking for? Let's go talk to somebody, because I come in here every day. I live right down the street. You want to see my address?
Yeah.
You want to know where I live? You want to see where I live too, right? Okay. Yeah. You're just choking up right now. You feel that's just 2 blocks away. Hey, do I come in here a lot? Do you recognize me? Yeah. I come in here every night.
Okay.
And you're saying I look suspicious? And you're telling this cop here, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things he could be doing right now.
Yeah.
But you got him specific,
No, he was here
asking
already.
me.
He was here already.
And you're telling him I'm suspicious?
When you're walking around, going
You look suspicious watching me as I'm trying to shop.
I'm doing my job.
You're not doing a good job at it. Now tell me why I look suspicious.
You're just walking around and you're not buying.
Like a
nothing.
normal
You
person.
came the first time.
Literally a normal
You came
person.
the first time.
Yes.
You didn't buy nothing. You just.
That's
came.
okay. That's all right. What are you looking at me like that for?
No. Go ahead and record me.
All right, who are we going to? Who do we need to talk to? You say you need to talk to your manager.
Oh, you want to talk to my manager?
Where?
I'm doing my job. That's the only thing I'm doing.
I don't think you are.
How I'm not doing my job?
Because you're telling me that I look suspicious walking around the
You're
store,
walking
and I'm
back
clearly.
you're walking from this out.
So what? This is a store. So what, sir? What are you sitting there looking at me like that for?
You could record me. I'm not doing nothing. I'm doing my job. That's it.
And your job is to point out people that walk into
No,
the store and say they look
I don't point
suspicious?
out. I don't point out. I just,
You're gonna tell these cops here that I'm suspicious, walking around like. There's a lot of people walking around, just walking around. Am I the only one that looks suspicious?
No.
Well, who else did you point out? Who else did he point out to y'all? Nobody? So why are you approaching me, asking me why'd you tell me I gotta go?
Because he told me that you have to leave.
And why'd you tell him that I have to leave?
Why? Because you came the first time. I didn't see you by nothing. I'm seeing you from walking this out here.
So what? So what? I'm on the rewards team here. I spend a lot of money here, and I come here every night around this time after I get off of work. So what?
Okay, I don't see you. I just see you walking back and forth. What are you gonna do? You're gonna let him keep shopping? Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
What do you mean? Okay. Oh, go ahead.
I said go ahead and shop. So you're good to go, man.
What's so funny?
I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing.
What's the chuckles about?
Who's chuckling? Nobody's laughing. My camera went off. I'm not laughing at anything.
Because I don't think this is funny, bro.
Nobody's laughing. I said you're good to go. He said you can shop. You're good to go.
Like, okay? This is some bullshit, bro.
No,
it's not. No, it's not. This is some bullshit, bro. I'm a part of the rewards team.
I didn't say you can shop.
You want to look at how much money I spend in here?
I see people shopping too. I don't see.
So who? You said we got to talk to somebody to see if it's okay if I'm still.
You needed help.
Can I still shop?
Yes, I tell you yes.
Can I still shop? Am I good?
He said yeah. Go ahead.
Am I good?
Good to go.
Am I good?
Just got here, but.
He just told this cop that I'm suspicious and I got to go.
Okay.
Ain't that bogus?
So. Well, it's not on us. If somebody, any store, if somebody says that.
So do you have any feedback for this man to do his job better?
Do I need feedback?
Do you have any feedback for this gentleman to do his job better?
Give
him some feedback.
I've maybe talk to the person before you meet and find out what's going on. He said he needed some help. He was looking for stuff. Okay, yeah, somebody can help you.
Maybe before telling a cop that I should be kicked out, maybe you should ask me if I need help. Does that sound like a reasonable idea?
Yes.
Recording police and public officials is not only your right, but it's also your duty as a taxpayer. So if a cameraman or woman wants to record public officials on the course of their duty, then a nice friendly wave is exactly what we want to see. A nice gesture goes very far, and it is inviting. Is there any reason in particular that some police officers do not like to be recorded while performing the duties they're paid to perform? Make sure to know the laws of your state, which is pretty much the First Amendment right to record in public. Throughout the land and in many parts of the world, police are not supposed to infringe upon your human rights. So it's important to know them. Whatever your eyes can see in public, your camera can record. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in police interaction videos and how to utilize your rights during a police encounter. It could be the difference between you knowing your rights and you caving in at unlawful demands. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the comment section. Thank you.